Today we're going to be making steak, mashed potatoes, and broccoli. Here are the seasonings that we're going to be using. With our steak, we're going to season it and set it to the side. Then we get started on the mashed potatoes. We're using golden Idaho potatoes, and we're just going to wash and peel them, and we're going to chop them up, and then we're going to put them in some boiling water. We're going to add a little bit of salt to our water. We're not going to be doing anything fancy with these potatoes, just a basic mashed potato. So we are going to add them to our boiling pot of water, and then we're going to cover it. We're going to boil it until the potatoes are tender, and then we'll take them out. We are going to be chopping up our broccoli, and we are going to boil them maybe about 5 minutes so that they're blanched. We prefer our broccoli tender, not overcooked, so we don't want to boil them for too long. So we're just going to put them in our pot of boiling water, and then we're going to cover it. Once our potatoes are nice and tender, we're going to add some butter and salt and pepper, and we are just going to mash them with a fork. We're not even going to do any kind of cream or cheese or anything. It's just a basic, simple mashed potato. And then once we're done with that, we're going to set it to the side, and we'll get started with heating our pan for our steak. Here we have a cast iron grill pan. We've added our oil, and we've added some rosemary to the side. Gives it a nice, awesome flavor. And we're gonna add the steak to our pan. As you can see, it's sizzling. All the spices are getting sealed in. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so delicious. It's just perfectly sizzling in the pan. I did not do a timer for how long we cook the steak for, but I will keep that in mind for next time so that I can make sure to tell you how long we cooked it for. We added some diced garlic and some butter to the top of our steaks. We're just going to flip them over, and then we are going to just melt our butter onto our steak. We're just gonna rub it all over to get it nice and even. And we're just gonna continue to cook it and flip it every couple of minutes to make sure it's being cooked evenly. Some people like their steak more rare. We prefer ours more medium well. You can see it's nice and brown. Everything's looking good. Those beautiful grill lines on the steak. Everything smells awesome, especially because of that rosemary. All right, and here our steaks are looking like they're ready. We're gonna get ready to plate everything. We have everything on the plate, the mashed potatoes, the broccoli, and a little bit of the steak drippings on our mashed potato and on our steak. We're gonna go ahead and cut it open, and it's perfectly well done. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.